So let's start with the name of Allah. In this video, I am going to show you the overview of the scripting. By clicking right in the project window and create and then C# script, we can create a new C# script. In this, we can name it like sample. We can name it any name, and by double clicking, we can open it. Here you can see the default option of this script. The first is that like using system.collection, using unit engine, these are the namespaces. Like using system.collection is used for list, using unit engine is used for that we are using the unit engine. Like if we learn if we when we go forward, then we can see many namespaces and we can create our own namespaces. Conclude that these are the namespaces. And the next is that public class sample. This is our script name, and that is mono behavior, which is the script that our script is inherit. Then it means this is the parent of this script. The next is that line. These are the comments. This line will not be executed when we use double slashes. It will turn green, and this will not is the part of the script. It will not be execute. We will learn in another video. The next is that void start. These are our function. These are by default function. This start and update. There are also many functions by default function that we learn in another video. But there is two function void start and void update. There is also a void awake. Like I can write void awake. These are the three functions. The awake call first and it call only once. When we play the game, it will call only once. The next is that void start. It also call once. It will not be updated. It will call only one time after the awake. The next is that void update. This will call once per frame. Like if your device is running 40 frame per second or 60 frame per second, then this message will show or this action will show 60 time in a second. To test our script that our script is working or not, we can use debug.log, and at the end we use semicolon to terminate our line. To save our script, we use Control S, and if we go back, it will compile, and if we run it, it will not run. And this is the first error of the our when we are beginner level, we write the program, but when we play, it will not play. What is the problem? The problem is that we create a script, write a script, but we do not attach the script on another game object. When we attach the script to the any game object like cube, we can attach like simply dragging on the game object, or we can simply dragging into this place. And if now we will play, it will work. That first start awake, then start, and then update is running like this. This is running. The another thing is that when we change the name of the script, like as it will give an error. Like this, we can see that the reference script on this behavior is missing. But what we can do to handle this problem? If we change external name of the script, we also use the same name in the internal. Like outside our name is SSSS and in inside its name is simple. We can change it like this and press Ctrl S. And if now we test, then it will run.